Whether you're looking to optimize your testosterone levels for athletic performance, improve your overall health, or combat the effects of aging, these books offer valuable insights and strategies for achieving your goals, as well as understanding testosterone better. Let's dive in. Testosterone Rex: Myths of Sex, Science, and Society by Cordelia Fine. This book explores the societal myths surrounding testosterone and gender, and how these myths impact our understanding of sex and biology. Practical tips. Engage in physical exercise regularly, as studies have shown that moderate to high-intensity exercise can increase testosterone levels in men and women. Reduce stress levels through relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation, as chronic stress can lead to decreased testosterone production. The Testosterone Advantage Plan by Lou Schuler, Jeff Volek, and Michael Mejia. This book offers a practical guide to increasing testosterone levels through diet and exercise, and how these lifestyle changes can improve overall health and well-being. Practical tips. Incorporate resistance training into your workout routine, as it has been shown to increase testosterone levels more effectively than other types of exercise. Eat a balanced diet that includes healthy fats, like those found in avocados and nuts, which can support testosterone production. Testosterone for Life by Dr. Abraham Morgentaler, comprehensive guide to understanding the role of testosterone in men's health and wellness. The book provides a detailed overview of testosterone and its effects on the body. Provides practical advice on lifestyle changes that can help increase testosterone levels naturally. Practical tips. Get enough sleep, as sleep deprivation has been linked to decreased testosterone levels. Manage weight and avoid obesity, as excess body fat can lead to lower testosterone levels. Testosterone, Sex, Power, and the Will to Win by Joe Herbert. This book delves into the science behind testosterone and its effects on human behavior, including aggression, dominance, and competitiveness. Practical tips. Find healthy outlets for aggression, such as physical activity or artistic expression, to avoid negative consequences associated with high testosterone levels. Surround yourself with positive role models who exhibit characteristics of confidence and assertiveness, as this can help improve self-esteem and potentially increase testosterone levels. Testosterone Dreams, Rejuvenation, Aphrodisia, Doping by John Hoberman. This book examines the history and cultural significance of testosterone, from its use as a medical treatment to its abuse in sports and the rise of testosterone replacement therapy. Practical tips. Avoid taking testosterone supplements or engaging in other forms of testosterone doping without proper medical supervision, as these practices can have serious health consequences. Consider the potential risks and benefits of testosterone replacement therapy under the guidance of a qualified medical professional, as it may be a viable treatment option for certain individuals with low testosterone levels. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other books to increase testosterone? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know. Hope you liked our video. Subscribe to receive our books recommendations, books review and more. Click on this video to have more energy. See you.